Welcome back to FAB Automotive Detailing. In this video, I'll be reviewing Chemical Guy's VRP. Let's do it. So several months ago, MTM Porsche sent this product to me for me to try out. If you guys ever want to send a product to me that you like and you want me to try it out, send it to my P.O. box. I put it in the description of every one of my videos. Let me know if you do. Leave a comment, say, hey, I sent you something in your P.O. box. That way I know to go check it, because I do not check it daily. I check it about once a week, sometimes not even that. So just let me know if you do send me something in my P.O. box. But I appreciate MTM Porsche for you sending this to me. I've been wanting to try this product for a long time. I've seen tons of review on it. People absolutely love this product, so I'm really looking forward to it. It is dilutable. That's what's cool about it. Now, I'm going to use it straight. I'm not diluting it right now. I will dilute it in the future. Maybe I'll do a video on that. I don't know. But just remember, you can dilute this. Let's see if it tells me what the dilution ratio is. I don't see it really quick. Yeah, I don't see it at all. But I know that MTM Porsche made a video on it. I know Camaro Time made an excellent video on this product where he diluted it and cleaned his engine bay. So you guys check out both of their channels. You'll see Camaro Time's dilution of it, and his engine is staying really clean. I'm so looking forward to using this product. You guys have probably already seen the video where I cleaned the oxidation stuff off the plastic trim. So now we're going to apply a dressing to it. I am going to put a dye on these in the future, but right now it's still winter. I don't have time to do it. Time is a big thing for me. I got 3 kids. They're all in school, some in sports. I just don't have time to do that stuff to my own vehicles. And I got detailing seasons right upon us. And I'm getting ready to get really, really busy. So I'm hoping I can at least save a weekend or two to do the truck. A full detail on the truck so you guys can see that. But I'm just blabbering. I'm going to get the camera set up and we're going to apply this stuff. So VRP is another one of those very versatile products, which I love. I love products that you can use for more than just one particular thing, because you get your money's worth, in my opinion. I'm going to apply it to the fender wells, my door handles, my trim on the bottom of my doors. I'm kind of showing you right over here. I'm going to apply it to my tires. I'll probably make a video on doing the tires and doing this fender right here, and then I'll go around and do them all, you know, let it cure, wipe it down if I need to knock it down, and then show you guys the final result. So the directions just say, shake well, spread with foam or microfiber applicator. I'm using a foam applicator pad. Work into surface, wipe excess if desired, reapply as necessary. You can also use this on your dashboard and your trim inside. So like I said, very versatile product. I better check. I looked like a goofball one time. Yeah, there's no cap on it. So here we go. We will do a smell test first, because that's important to people. Ooh, kind of fruity smelling. Smells good. Smells really good. My biggest thing when it comes to a trim dressing or a tire coating, something like that, I want it to level itself. I don't want to have to come back and level it. That's what I look for. Right now, it's looking pretty good. Somewhere on there. You guys may have just stared at the top of my head. I honestly don't know. Looking good. It's nice and rich. A rich black, which is what I want. I don't want shiny crap. I just want it to look natural, new, whatever you want to call it. And in case you're new to my videos, yes, I know this is an issue. I've only had this truck since October. There's a lot of stuff I need to do to it, and that is one of the things I've got to get fixed. Is a lot of these seals on these fender flares, man, they drive me up absolutely nuts. I did completely remove all the oxidation off the trim in a previous video. You guys even seeing what I'm doing? Now right now we're gonna see how it dries. We're gonna give it time. Right now I'm seeing a lot of streaking, but it's not dry. And I like to go in here. I like to do the inside as well. Just what you can see, to be honest with you. Really hope it dries uniform, but we'll find out. Let's do this tire while you're here. Whoa, I dropped it. I'll lower you guys down. That'll work. Yeah, you can see the tire good. Okay, so it's this side. Because people love to compare this to Adam's VRT, and I like VRT on my tires. So we'll We'll see if I like this on my tires. Making several videos today, so if it seems like I'm in a rush, it's because I actually am. Okay, so that's pretty much covered. Obviously would have to move it back a little bit. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna finish doing the rest of the truck. I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. See, I'm seeing streaking. Now, that is a heavy spot that I did. The light in here is really good, so I'm getting quite a bit of streaking, but yeah, we're gonna let it dry and we're gonna see what it looks like. So I just realized that when you guys are watching me, I probably had dirt all over my hands, and I'm gonna explain that really quick. I put a new seat cover in here. It's not done yet. I like it though. But my work pants and stuff sometimes are extremely dirty, and I don't want to get my nice seats dirty. And I had a snap-on one in here that I actually just got from him for free that I used to put in customer cars. I put it in here and I got tired of it because it kept moving around and making my electric seat go up and down on its own. So I was reaching underneath here to put these tie straps in earlier, and I had grease all over my hands, and apparently didn't get it all off, and I just noticed it. So yes, I do clean my hands. I'm gonna show you guys something. So everything's dry. You see this streaking really bad? This is the same fender that I had a problem with on another company's dressing you guys saw a video on, because look at this. This is all just one coat. Look at that. Looks amazing. I'm extremely happy with that. But there is something with my fender flare. It's almost like that's new, which, you know what, it could be. I bought this truck used. Something may have happened and they put a new fender flare, because you also notice that none of this rubber is coming up on this one. So it may have been new when I bought it. But I have problems with these streaking, these other ones. So there's that one. I put on the door handles. Door handles look okay. A little bit of streaking, but a lot of this could be user error, because I'm telling you, that right there looks absolutely amazing. Looks good on the tires. Looks really good on the tires. Nice satin finish. Looks really good on these bumpers back here. The steps I did. No issues there with streaking. Up here, this is a weird plastic, but it looks pretty good. I don't see any streaking on that. Back here, I know there's not a lot of light, you guys. I'm doing my best, but you see the little bit of streaking here. And that one. And I did clean these, got all the oxidation off as I could. But like I said, I wanted to make this a short video. I don't know how short this video is going to be now, because I want to go do them again. At least one on camera. Look, it makes the tires look really good. There's some light and dark spots. The only downside that I see there's some streaking, is I know that these fender flares have given me a problem in the past. But if I put VRT on this fender flare from Adams, and I'm going to make a video about that with these two products, I can walk away and it doesn't look like that. But you know, that is not a deal breaker to me, you guys. It works excellent. Looking at that one back there, it works excellent. But let's see, if we put a second coat on, right here on camera, will it level it out, or do I need to knock it down? Because that's the question. Oh, I should have wore gloves when I did this. And my boss may be getting here in a minute, so you guys may hear a horn honk. He's gonna want back in. He just left. Stupid thing. Now, I did find if you get it on your paint, just take a microfiber towel and wipe it right off. No issue at all. That works just fine. So I'm not worried about getting it on my paint. Yeah, see, a second coat. You know, second coat's not a deal breaker. I know I just said that a minute ago, that exact thing, but it's not. I mean, as long as I can make it look good, and that looks pretty good. Let me show you guys. But you guys saw earlier, see now how much better that is? You guys saw earlier, right when I got done doing this, it was streaking. It's not now. So it just needed a second coat. That is not a big deal. Okay, so I'm done making this video.
and I gave it a really good review. I was really happy with it. And I'm still happy with it. Please don't get me wrong, but you've already seen another video where I mentioned the trim of my truck, so you already know what's coming if you've already watched that video. So I did a review on here where I sprayed water on here. I put a spray wax on here. The wax never made it down any of the fenders because I did it with towels. But all that made it down the fenders was water. And so the VRP has been on for probably over 2 hours. So it was completely cured. And look at this. See that? That's just a bummer. And you know what? That could be the plastic because talk, Brian. It looks okay on the tire. I mean, I can see where it's starting to wear off on the tire, but that's just kind of disappointing, you guys. Dang it, that's disappointing. Back here, you can see where I hit it with my applicator that had water on it. See that line? You can see where I was touching it with the water. Dang it, that's a bummer. I mean, it really, really is. Because it looks really nice when I got done. Up here, I mean, like back here, you know, not too bad. It is a little streaky, but not bad. Looks okay. The tire looks excellent. But then look up here where the water went down the fender. I mean, that's just not good.
It's gonna be windy out here. It's getting ready to rain. It's been 1 week since I applied the VRP. I did reapply it to the plastics after that Meguiar's video, as you guys may have seen at the end of the Meguiar's video. So it's been 1 week since I installed it or applied it, whatever you want to call it. And it's getting ready to rain, so as you can see, it doesn't really hold up. Now, I will tell you this, it held up good on the tires. The tires still look excellent, so it works good on rubber. Works really good on rubber. But after it snowed on Sunday, which I didn't get a chance to make a video for that Meguiar's, I wanted to make an update video, but it looked like this afterwards. But like I said though, the tires still look really good after a week, and it snowed and rained, so. And there's that tire. Hopefully you guys are hearing me because it is windy. I just got up, it's Saturday morning, and I was like, it's getting ready to rain, I need to go out and make this video. So my voice may sound real funny. But yeah, the tires look good though. So yeah, just want to show you guys that. So I woke up this morning and realized I did not make a second ending for the VRP. I made the very first ending. I gave it 2 thumbs up, this is what I did. I love the product, you know, and I still like the look that it gives you on your trim and your tires. But as you saw in the other video, or my Meguiar's video, that after just rinsing it down, not with any of the coat or the spray, let's just call it spray, the spray on it, it didn't touch the trim, just water did, and it took it right off. And it was on there for probably 2 or 3 hours. So I was really, really disappointed in that. And then the tires looked like it was starting to come off, but as I just showed you, and I've not reapplied it, we've had snow, we've had rain. It lasted a full week on the tires, so I'm happy with that. And it looks like it probably lasts a little bit longer, so that's not too bad. I do like that a lot. But as far as the plastic side, which is what most people want to buy this for, and I don't know if it has to do with maybe Indiana's humidity, because even in the wintertime, we do get humidity. It's not terrible, we do get humidity here in the wintertime. I don't know if it's humidity and it just doesn't cure right or what, I have no idea. But as soon as water hits it, it's gone. As you guys saw, it streaked really bad. You could see where the water kind of ran down the fender. So highly, highly disappointed in that, because I really wanted this to work really good on my plastic trim, because that's what it's for, vinyl, rubber, and plastic. But it works great on tires, as you guys just saw. Would it work good in the engine compartment? I think it probably would, because water's really not getting in there. The only water that's getting in there is coming up from the bottom or through the radiator, and it's not really gonna be hitting the plastics on top of the engine, which is what you're gonna dress this with. So I think it looked really good in the engine bay, and I've watched videos of people that use this on their engine bays and they dilute it, and diluting it is awesome. I think it's awesome that you can dilute this, because I don't think you can do that with Adams. So that's a big thing. Now the back doesn't say anything about it, about diluting it, but I know people that have diluted it and it's worked great for them. So that's a big plus for me. But I am no longer giving this a 2 thumbs up, this product a 2 thumbs up. I'm gonna give it just a 1 thumbs up, and the 1 thumbs up is just for the tires, not for plastics. The plastics, just nothing. I mean, I'm not happy with that at all. I probably wouldn't buy this product you know, when this bottle runs out, I probably won't buy it because I have other products like VRT that will last 2 weeks on the plastic. It will actually repel water on the plastic. It beads water like a wax does. It works really well. It looks really good on tires. Now I will use this on the tires though. I mean, I'll use this till it's gone on the tires because I have no problem with that. It looks really nice on tires. It's that satin finish that I like. So no complaint there at all. MTM Porsche, once again, thank you so much for sending me this product. I really wanted to give it 2 thumbs up and I did. And I was excited I gave it 2 thumbs up because I even said it in the last video. And let me just show you a clip of that really quick. So if you've watched any of my past videos, you know that I am 0 for 2 on Chemical Guys products. Not anymore. I do like this product and I will give it 2 thumbs up because it does exactly what it says it's going to do. It makes the trim look great. In that video, I was happy. I said, now I am 1 for 2 on Chemical Guy products. Well, I would say I'm 1 for 2 now again, but just for the tire side, you guys. That's just what it is. I've got one more Chemical Guys product here in the garage that I want to try, and I'm really, really hoping that it just blows my mind and I can give you guys an excellent review because people are going to start thinking I'm bashing Chemical Guys, and I'm not. I love all companies that make detailing products. I just want their products to work, and as long as they work, I will give them a really, really good review or 2 thumbs up, whatever. It's just, the downside is it's just good for rubber for me. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hit that subscribe button down there at the bottom. Join the FAB Automotive Detailing community on YouTube. Hit that little bell so when I do upload videos, you don't miss any. Hit the share button. This video might be helpful for somebody else. I enjoy hanging out with you guys every Saturday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. When we do go live, we hang out, we have a really good time together, and I like to see each and every one of you there.